Welcome to Jaguar Land Rover. My name is Jordan Rothrock. Today we're going to take a look at this 2017 Cadillac XT5. It has just under 55,000 miles. The nice thing about this, like any Cadillac, you have some amazing rims. So if you like rims, you have a really nice choice here. If you also take a look here, it does have proximity entry, which is always nice if you don't want to worry about fumbling with your keys in a rainy day or snowy day. Just push the button. As long as the keys are on you, it will unlock and lock. Now let's take a look out back here. We've got the trunk. The one thing that I really like about this, and one thing that drives me nuts when I'm driving and I'm going grocery shopping, I hate opening the door and having the groceries fall out. It's got this wonderful thing here to where it'll actually block it to prevent things from actually falling out towards you, which I personally love. Now let's take a look out back. This is a mid-size SUV, but for a mid-size SUV, you got plenty of spacious room out back for your family, or if you just want a little extra room to put it down to have some big boxes or whatever it may be, fold the seats down flat. Now, if we take a look up front, the nice thing about this vehicle, it does have heated seats. It also has a heated steering wheel, blind spot, as well as collision avoidance up front, which is always nice on busy days when people just like to cut you off. Again, I want to thank you for taking your time to watch this video, and if you ever come into the showroom, ask me. My name is Jordan. Hope you have a wonderful day.